How to create a Wix bilingual website. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a bilingual website on Wix. So Wix has really simplified this process and made it a whole lot easier. Now to start off, you will need to create your Wix account, and I have created my account just using my Gmail account. You can obviously use your email ID and log in, and it's very easy to just link your Google or Facebook account to your Wix account as well. So after that, this is going to be your basic dashboard where you can see all of the websites that you have created. Now for this video, I'm just going to open up one of my old websites, and I'm going to show you how you can make it a multilingual website and add more languages to a singular website. So first off, you're just going to either click on select and edit site, and then you're going to click on edit site, and it's going to open up the Wix website editor. Now over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go at the top settings over here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on multilingual. So this will open up this pop-up box where you can select on what other languages you want to add to your website. So currently my website has been written in English, of course. It's the standard for most websites. And then you can select the language that you want to translate it to. So let's just say we want to translate it into Japanese, and now you can see you can make the country change as well. So for what country do I want my website to change automatically into the Japanese version? And then you have two options. Either you can make the Japanese visible now and visitors will be able to see and browse your content in Japanese. And then you can also auto-translate your website. Now, I would not suggest using the auto-translate. I would suggest that you use an actual person to translate your website if you want to go global and you want a different language website for each country. And you're going to turn off this option, and then you're going to add your translations by hand, or you're going to add them manually or individually. But since I don't speak any Japanese, we're just going to use the auto translate. Then you're going to click on continue. And the thing about this is that it's not creating a separate website. It's just creating a separate language for your website. So your website is going to be available in two versions, a English version and a Japanese version. So you can see over here, this is the Japanese version. It looks just beautiful. So you can see they couldn't find any word for Anna, so they just left that. And they couldn't find any words for illustrator, so they just left that as it is. But this is the home page, and if we go on to the products page, let's see if we have any words that needed to be added. So all of the contact information, the business details, all of these have been changed into Japanese. And the good thing is not only are these changed into Japanese, but they're also changed into the traditional Japanese katakana, which is the way that they write their alphabets. So you don't need to worry about if you know how to write their alphabets or not. Wix is going to help you doing that as well. Now you can add even more languages to your website. And if I click on manage languages over here, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do another language, and I'm going to add the different translations manually. So you can do that as well. And obviously, this is going to open up a new pop-up box. And even with the auto-translate, you can edit the translations manually if you find that something is incorrect. Now, I'm just waiting for this to open up. And on the multilingual section over here, you're just going to click on Add Language. Then you're going to select a language. So let's just say we want to add Spanish now. And then you can add country that you want the flag to appear. So let's say you want the Mexican flag to appear if your website or your services are primarily focused in the United States and Mexico. You probably want the Mexican flag instead of the Spanish one. But if you are a European or a global brand, you probably want the Spain flag appear when people are changing the language from the top navigation bar. You can use some other flag as well, but I'm going to go with Mexico. I'm going to let it be visible, but I'm not going to do the auto translate, and I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to start doing manual translation. So you can see over here, after you have added another language, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the language menu. You're going to click on the site languages section on the top left over here. And then you're going to click on Spanish. Once you have clicked on Spanish, now you can start editing. Now you can turn on the auto translate and then edit the auto translate. So if I click on auto translate site, it's going to do that. But I'm going to edit my translation. So it says Anna's affiliates. So let's just do Anna's. I'm not sure about my translations, but like this, you're gonna add your custom translation. So our recommendations, whatever the word in Spanish is for this. So let's just click over here. We're gonna click on edit translation down below. Our recommendations, this, and so I'm just gonna change the font because I don't like this one. I'm gonna reduce the font size as well, like this. So once you have done that and added your different translations, you can add as many as you want, and that is the most helpful thing about Wix. You're just gonna click on save and then you can publish, or you can just directly publish. That's totally up to you. Now after that, you're just gonna click on publish. And once your site has been published, I'm just going to click on view site to show you guys what my new multilingual website is. So you can see over here on the top, any viewer can see that there is a box on the top left where they can see it's English, Espanol, or Japanese. If I click on Japanese, it's just going to refresh. And you can see over here how beautiful is this. It's so seamless and easy. Everything has been done so well. Now, if I just click on EN, these were just my own pathetic. If I click on ES, sorry, Espanol. So you can see over here, this is just my own pathetic Spanish translation, but you now understand how the multilingual function on Wix works. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own multilingual website using Wix. And I really do think that there isn't a single other website developer or website making platform where you can easily add this many languages for free. And that's the highlight of Wix. It's for free. So you can create a global website with hundreds of languages for free, and that's just the beauty of Wix. So the best part about these multilingual sites on Wix is that it does not require you to buy any of their premium plans, although if you do plan on upgrading, their premium plans start at $4.50, where you get a custom domain and you also get a free SSL certificate. You also get 1 GB worth bandwidth and you get 500 MB storage space. Now, currently Wix is offering 50% off on their unlimited and VIP versions, which I find to be a very great deal because you can see that their $24 plan, which includes all of their basic web developing features, are included, including 35 GB of storage and 5 hours of video hours. You also get a Site Booster app for 1 year and you get visitor analytics applications for 1 year as well. So this is the beauty of Wix. You get so much for so little. And if you go back onto your My Sites homepage, so your basic dashboard for your account, you can see I have 4 websites that are running and I can make any one of these multilingual or bilingual. There is no limit to how many languages I can add and how many websites that I can create. If I choose to create another website, I can do that as well. And this allows you a lot of space for trial and error. You don't really have to worry about if the first bilingual website you did turned out right or not. You can just click on create new site and then you can get started once more on creating your Wix website. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create a beautiful multilingual or bilingual, however many languages you want to add to your site, and easily serve your different customer base or start serving your product, services, or whatever you're trying to promote on your website globally. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.